Here are the top 3 things to avoid wearing at the gym and why. And the last one might seem pretty obvious, but I still see so many people wearing this to the gym.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, my name is Mario and welcome back to the Beginner's Guide to the Gym series. So you wanna know, well, what do I wear to the gym? Is there an exact attire? Is there a specific outfit?
Does it have to be colorful? Does it have to be just black and white?
Maybe all red? Should there be print on the shirt or pants? Just plain clothes, a suit, a tie, a bow?
The answer is none of the above. Wear clothes that are breathable and comfortable. Sweatpants and a tank top, leggings and a t-shirt, shorts and a shirt are all perfectly fine. Now there are some major don'ts in this category. Here are the top 3 things to avoid wearing at the gym and why. Number 1 is jeans. Wearing jeans restricts your mobility when squatting, running, or doing a majority of leg workouts. You want to be able to move freely and fully. Number 2 is heavy sweatshirts. You want to wear breathable clothes to prevent overheating. Quick side note, just because you sweat more doesn't mean you burn more fat. And the last one might seem pretty obvious, but I still see so many people wearing this to the gym. And that's high heels or boots. Running sneakers or even flats are a better choice depending on your fitness goals. If you like to run after your workout, wear running sneakers. If you're just there to lift weights and do cardio on your recovery days, which I highly recommend doing, wear flats or even lifting shoes on your weightlifting days and running sneakers on your cardio days. When performing squats, flats are your best option as they have the most support for that specific movement. To recap, wear something comfortable and breathable. Wear something that prevents overheating and allows you to do your workouts freely and fully. For women, leggings and a t-shirt are fine. For men, sweatpants and a tank top are fine. Avoid jeans, heavy sweatshirts, boots, and heels. In the next video of the Beginner's Guide to the Gym series, we'll cover figuring out your goals and your why factor. I hope this video motivated you to continue your fitness journey. Thank you for sticking to the end as it really helps the video reach more people. Make sure to like the video if you want to learn more, and I'll see you in the next video.